Yes, members, I'm by names of Yet Isaac, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a presentation software. Yes, so without wasting any more time, let's just go right into it. We shall go here and just simply type Microsoft just down here. And it's going to bring us Microsoft PowerPoint. Once it's located, we select it. Then after selecting, we shall choose a blank presentation. Yeah, since we are going to create our own, we shall choose a blank one. Then we are going to be talking about let me see, aviation. And I'll be the one talking about it. So you include your phone number, PhD in aeronautics. Yeah, it's already center aligned. You can bolden it. Yes. Then new slide. Now here we're going to be talking about something. Maybe let's say this is our course outline. Here we shall be talking about, let me say we shall be talking about, let me say, what is flying. Careers. Then we shall talk about flight operations. Then we shall be having our conclusion. Yeah, then we shall add a new slide. No, but before that, we have to align this to the center and bolden it as well. Then we can add a new slide. Here we shall be talking about what is flying. Then what is flying? Under what is flying, we basically talk about the primary flight controls, stuff that enables aircrafts to fly. Then we also talk about secondary flight controls. Secondary flight controls. So then we look up at, basically those are the things we look at under what is flying. Things that Basically, this is what we talk about here, what enables flying. And then we're going to add another slide. Then here we shall talk about the careers involved in the aviation industry. So we shall have pilots. Shall talk about the pilot. Now let's start with the aeronautical engineers. Talk about the pilots. And shall talk about the maintenance engineers. We have the maintenance engineers, and we're going to have the air traffic controllers, and we're going to have the flight dispatchers. Then we're going to have the cabin crew. What else are we going to have? Basically, that's what we're going to talk about. And then flight and the flight operations. And the flight. Here we shall talk about aircraft maintenance, aircraft maintenance, passenger handling, so passenger handling, we have the baggage handling, yeah, then conclusion. And the conclusion we can have it's a wide range of opportunities. And that's it. So we are going to go straight away to designing our slideshow. So you open the design and we shall select this. You can basically select any of your choice and apply it throughout. This. Then we shall go into insert and try to insert some images. I have some pictures I put on the desktop. So I'll insert. Shall insert that. Shall keep on inserting pictures. Shall keep on inserting. Yes, we can insert in all of them, so we can also insert there. And then our last one. So we can now resize them, probably to the size that we want. There. So we can resize them to whatever size we want, and that is it. So we are going to add in transitions. So we are going to apply to all. Click on that. Then we can go to our slideshow and watch from the beginning. Then we can click basically you can select anything of your choice. Yeah, basically that is it when it comes to PowerPoint presentation. This is how we use PowerPoint presentations. Mostly we use it in presenting stuff, in case maybe we are trying to present something. Yeah, we shall always be using this app. You can use whatever kind of pictures you want depending on the kind of topic you're sharing. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because anytime soon I'll be dropping new content. Thank you.